I am tired of Patrick's sister
Hello?
Pat.
Hello? Hello? Patrick? Patrick? Hold on. Listen to what me I say. Me know you're tired of me and the calling. You at work, you're there? And you can't hear what me I say now? I me call too much every day, me have a new complaint. But Patrick, me not nobody else to talk to, Patrick, and you alone me have, you know. Eh? Use me everything, you know, darling. Me don't have anybody else to talk to. I just me and the children, them. And Patrick, me I tell you, say, at this morning, your sister catch up with me, you know, Patrick. eh? I go tell me, say, oh, me big and fat. Me just a heat, so. And if it tap me about her bread and money. Patrick, when you take me up, you know, Patrick, me they look very well, you know. Eh? Me they look bombshosh and all these things, you know, Patrick. So you could have never expect me to go look like me and suffer from malnutrition, Patrick. Eh? Me need you to talk to your sister, you know. Talk to her, you know, Patrick. Every day they get up and they put me back, you know, Patrick. Me tired of it now, you know, Patrick. Me tired of it, you know. Me don't know why you left me in a them place, you know, Patrick. Patrick, you see, if you don't sort out this thing, you know, me and the people them are gonna move, go underneath one bus that olive, you know. Because me like peace and contentment, you know, Patrick. It no matter what you give me, you know, Patrick. If me don't have peace and contentment, it don't make sense. Eh? I don't care how much money you dash me, how much money you send come a Western Union. I don't care about it, Patrick. All I want is peace. Without peace, I cannot concentrate. Maybe easy myself. Eh? All right, Patrick. All right. But just talk to her for me. You hear? Talk to her. Talk to Pat, man. Talk to Pat. Tired right now. Every day she get up and dip on me back, me and the pitney there. Me tired of Pat. All right, baby. Okay. All right. Go and go do your work. You here? Come in. No, say, you know, easy over there under the snow. You here? Take it easy. All right. Mwah, mwah. All right. Then you here? If you kiss the children, then okay. All right.